Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Creating wall-mounted wooden crafts for profit is an exciting venture that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurship. As the demand for unique and personalized home decor continues to rise, wall-mounted wooden crafts have emerged as a popular choice for homeowners looking to add character to their spaces. The benefits of engaging in this craft extend beyond financial gain, encompassing personal satisfaction, skill development, and environmental considerations. To start, the appeal of wall-mounted wooden crafts lies in their versatility and aesthetic appeal. Unlike traditional furniture, wall art and decor can transform a space with minimal effort. They can serve as focal points in a room, adding texture, color, and dimension. The natural beauty of wood complements various interior styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. This adaptability allows artisans to cater to a broad audience, creating pieces that resonate with diverse tastes. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can make for profit or for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One of the key benefits of making wall-mounted wooden crafts is the potential for high profitability. Wood is a relatively accessible material, and with the right techniques and designs, artisans can create striking pieces that command a premium price. The initial investment in materials and tools can be modest, especially if you start with reclaimed wood or offcuts from other projects. This cost-effectiveness allows for a higher profit margin, making it easier to reach financial goals. The process of crafting wooden wall decor also fosters creativity and self-expression. Each piece created is an opportunity to explore new techniques, designs, and finishes. From intricate carvings to simple geometric shapes, the possibilities are vast. This creative freedom not only keeps the work interesting, but also allows artisans to develop a unique style that sets them apart in the marketplace. As you hone your skills and experiment with different techniques, your craftsmanship will improve, leading to higher quality products that can fetch better prices. Moreover, wall-mounted crafts can be tailored to meet specific customer needs and preferences. Customization is a significant trend in the home decor market, and offering personalized options can enhance your appeal. For instance, you might create pieces that incorporate names, quotes, or significant dates, adding a personal touch that resonates with buyers. This ability to cater to individual tastes can lead to repeat business and referrals, further boosting profitability. In addition to the financial benefits, making wall-mounted wooden crafts can have a therapeutic effect. Engaging in hands-on work can be a form of stress relief, providing a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The process of creating something tangible can foster a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. As you immerse yourself in the craft, you may find that it serves as a form of mindfulness, allowing you to focus on the present moment and escape from everyday worries. The environmental benefits of using wood for crafts should also be acknowledged. Wood is a renewable resource, and when sourced sustainably, it has a lower environmental impact than many synthetic materials. By using reclaimed wood or purchasing from responsible suppliers, you can create beautiful crafts while minimizing your ecological footprint. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly conscious of their purchasing decisions, making your products more attractive in a competitive market. Furthermore, the community aspect of crafting can enhance your experience. Engaging with fellow artisans, participating in local craft fairs, or joining online woodworking forums can provide valuable connections and support. Sharing tips, techniques, and experiences can lead to collaborative opportunities and inspire new ideas. This sense of community fosters a supportive environment where you can grow as an artisan and entrepreneur. selling wall-mounted wooden crafts can also open doors to various markets. Online platforms like Etsy, social media, and personal websites provide avenues for reaching a wider audience. Additionally, local craft fairs and boutiques can serve as venues to showcase your work, allowing customers to see and feel the quality of your crafts firsthand. This direct interaction can enhance customer relationships and lead to loyal clientele. Moreover, the ability to scale your production can further enhance profitability. Once you establish a successful design, you can create multiple pieces with relative ease. This efficiency allows you to capitalize on popular trends and respond to market demands quickly. The more you produce, the more you can sell, leading to increased revenue. This scalability makes wall-mounted wooden crafts an appealing option for those looking to turn their hobby into a full-fledged business. Another significant advantage is the potential for diversification within your product line. While you may start with a specific type of wall decor, the skills and techniques you develop can be applied to various projects. For example, if you begin with simple wooden signs, you can expand into more complex pieces, such as shadow boxes or wall sculptures. This diversification not only keeps your offerings fresh, but also attracts a broader customer base. As you build your brand and reputation, the possibility of collaboration with other local businesses or artisans can arise. Partnering with interior designers, home decor stores, or other crafters can lead to exciting opportunities for joint projects or showcases. These collaborations can enhance visibility and credibility, further establishing your position in the market. In terms of marketing, the visual appeal of wooden crafts lends itself well to social media platforms. High-quality photographs of your work can capture attention and engage potential customers. Showcasing your creative process through videos or behind-the-scenes content can humanize your brand and build a connection with your audience. Engaging with followers by responding to comments, sharing customer testimonials, and creating polls or questions can foster community and loyalty. Additionally, storytelling can play a significant role in marketing your crafts. Sharing the inspiration behind each piece, the materials used, and the creative process can resonate with customers on a personal level. People are often drawn to products with a story, and highlighting your journey as a woodworker can create emotional connections that drive sales. As you navigate the world of crafting and selling wooden wall decor, maintaining quality and consistency is crucial. Buyers appreciate well-crafted items that reflect attention to detail. Regularly assessing your production process, sourcing high-quality materials, and ensuring your finishing techniques are up to par will help you maintain a positive reputation. Satisfied customers are more likely to leave positive reviews, refer friends, and return for future purchases. Furthermore, consider the pricing strategy for your crafts. Understanding the value of your work is essential for setting prices that reflect your skills and craftsmanship while remaining competitive in the market. Researching similar products can provide insight into pricing trends, but it's equally important to factor in your time, materials, and overhead costs. Finding the right balance will ensure that you not only attract customers, but also achieve profitability. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wall-mounted wooden craft ideas you can make for profit or for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.